Some of our buildings have little wear and tear. When you notice something needs fixing, here's what to do. Scan the QR code in the lobby, fill out the maintenance request form completely, and message your RA to let them know. That was done perfectly. Once you submit a request, please allow 2 to 3 business days for maintenance to respond or provide an update. Life happens, and that's why we have an on-call phone available for urgent needs like lockouts or serious situations that require immediate attention. Your RAs are the first point of contact. We're here to help whenever possible. Don't hesitate to call the on-call number when appropriate. Roommate disagreements happen, and that's okay. Whether it's temperature preferences, cleanliness, or other issues, contact your RA to help mediate. RAs are trained to help guide roommate mediations so that you can help reach a fair compromise and restore peace in your own space. Remember, your RAs and RDs are here to support you. Reporting issues the right way help us build a positive and responsive living community. Don't hesitate to reach out.